Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST K-Sport CE short cuff textile gloves. Okay, the K-Sport short riding gloves retail for $59.99. As of the time we're shooting this, please understand we never update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been totally redesigned. This uses a hybrid chassis, Amara leather palm, synthetic leather palm, and you've got like this fabric back, knuckle protector built in. There's some protectors for the digits that are built in. Thing wears really light, touchscreen compatible, of course. Padding here in the palm, additional layers in the impact zone. This does flow air, right? Like I'm wearing the glove here, and it's not as much as a super loose mesh glove, but I kind of hit it with a blowgun and you could feel it, so you're gonna have good cooling with this, right? Sizing, I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I've got a 2X on right now. They fit and feel as I would expect, as there's a lot of dexterity with these. That's probably gonna be the biggest upside, and super clean styling, right? That's the kind of styling you're looking for. You're looking for an affordable pair of short cuff summer riding gloves. I think these are a good option. Really unique look to them. They feel great, touchscreen compatible, reasonable measure of protection. These are the all new K-Sport CE, certified to level 1 KP, short riding gloves. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.